Well, commiserations, Alan, but you couldn't have asked much more from your team, could you?
No, they were absolutely magnificent. They've been magnificent for past number of weeks, months in fact. So to be in the position we were today, they've been really, really good. Superb.
What was your message to them at the end of this game? Because obviously that defeat and the way it was done, I know you got in maybe through the back door a few weeks back, but certainly, you know, they've got nothing to be ashamed of and, you know, keeping their heads up.
Well, I know, Mal, you're saying we got in through the back door, but we were undefeated. We've been undefeated for a number of games now, so they deserve to be there. They're the best team in the bottom six, in my opinion, and that showed by us being able to compete in this game today. And said to them after, you know, they've done ever so well. They've made the club proud, and they should be proud of themselves.
And where do you go from here with this team then? Because obviously with that run you've had, can you build on this for next year and maybe head for the top six?
I have to ask my chairman that. He's in charge of things like that. But I know there's great plans at the club. I would never have come to the club unless the plans are in place, which they are. You know, we're having lots of stuff done over the summer period with the 3G come in, gives us a chance to train correctly. So the plans are in place, and I'm sure that lots of players will want to be involved in them.
Well, it's a cruel game, mate, and I'm sorry about the result today for you. You didn't deserve that. But
Pleasure.
well done.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, Alan.
Thank you. Thanks, everybody.